is a new feature inside of ClickUp which snuck in there on the low. If you haven't noticed, we are able to create dashboards now at the list level. Where did this come from? ClickUp is doing a lot of work, as you've probably seen behind the scenes. They are rolling out new features, it feels like almost every single week. But who are we to complain? So if you've clicked on this video, no doubt you're curious to know, what does this mean? What's going on inside of ClickUp? And so we're going to dive into what this new feature is. Currently, at the time of recording, this new dashboard view is only available at the list level, although we can expect to see in the future at some point that this view will be available at the folder level and the space level as well, which is exciting. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome. My name is Nicola Melinda and I am a verified ClickUp consultant, and so my job is essentially helping my clients to maximize the use of ClickUp in their business. So we use dashboards every day within my consultancy, and I also help my clients to maximize using the dashboards in ClickUp so that they can get a better overview of what's going on in their workspace. With dashboards, we are capturing data, we are looking at the dashboards to help with project tracking, reporting, managing their team, and keeping projects on track. So in this new list view, it appears that we can actually start getting a little bit more granular with our dashboard. So I'm going to do a bit of a walkthrough and show you exactly what it looks like, how you can get them set up, how they work inside of the workspace, and you can definitely see how this works also for yourself. So as you are watching the video, if you're enjoying the content, please do hit a like. It just lets me know that you would like to see more of these types of videos. And also, if you want to be aware of new videos that come out on the channel, just hit subscribe so you can be notified of any new content that I post. Okay, so we're inside of our list, and what we're going to do is start by creating our dashboard view. So if we go to the view at the top, here is where you can find all of the new structured views inside of ClickUp, and dashboard with a little new tag there is ready for us to grab some metrics and insights into our project. Now, the dashboard view, as I said, is at every list view inside of ClickUp Workspace. And so at the time of this recording, this might be rolled out to the folders by now or spaces, but if it's not already, it will be soon. So we can customize our dashboard by renaming it. So let's just put it as Project Overview. And then you can see here that we've got options to have it auto refresh. We can also copy a link and we can share our view of this dashboard as well. And then we have some additional settings where we can pin this, we can add it to favorites, and we can make it a default view for everybody or just a private view. So we've got some options there. So you'll notice and probably recognize a lot of those options from other views that you have available at the list level. So we're just going to click on create that dashboard, and now we have our dashboard here. So we have the option to start from scratch or create another simple dashboard based on some of these templates. So if you are new to building dashboards, then some of these templates might actually help you just to get a feel for how the dashboards work and how you can manipulate the data and view the data within your list. Now remember, this is going to be pulling data strictly from this website build project list, so it's not going to be pulling data from anywhere else. So let's go with just a simple, let's go with a project management dashboard as a simple start to having a look at what is going on inside of this project. So if you are the project manager, you might want to just come in and to this dashboard to have a look at where everything is at, have a quick glance to see what priorities are in place, how many tasks are in progress, how many is left to be done, and so forth. So the bigger your team, the more tasks that you have within the project, the more tasks that are assigned, you're going to see more data. The more that you are utilizing things like priorities and you have a clean status overview, you are going to have a much easier time of viewing the data as well. So there are some things that I would definitely say to put in place before you do dive into dashboards is making sure your statuses are simple, ensuring that you have all of your tasks correctly assigned and you have due dates in place as well and they are being updated. If you are using priorities, which are your priority flags, make sure you're using those as well. So now we have what you can see are some cards that are showing up on our dashboard. This is literally the same functionality of what you would see if you were building out dashboards from this area, which is the dashboard view that we are most used to using and used to seeing. Everything is just now condensed to this space at this level. So we can see here that in this template, it's pulled in some cards for us. We can see what the latest activity is. We can see what's been completed this week or what's been worked on. We can see who's been the most productive over the last 30 days. And we can also see some task counts here. So these cards are telling us what tasks we have overdue, what tasks we have as open, and the total amount of tasks in this project altogether. Then we can have a view over what's coming up through the week, so we can see what tasks we need to be looking at. And so you can create and update this dashboard. We can still use the same filters. So we can absolutely apply the same filters across the board. So what you can also do is still have access to the same cards in this dashboard view. So if you are familiar with the main dashboards that we would use before in ClickUp, you can actually access the same widgets. So you have the opportunity to add in additional cards, text blocks, task lists, and other useful widgets that can help you to choose and showcase the data that you really need to see at a high level dashboard view. So the dashboards themselves at the moment are being housed inside of the list. If you were to now head over to your dashboards inside of ClickUp, where we've set this up as a list view, you're going to see something a little bit different. So now your dashboards actually have a location. So anything that doesn't have a location is a dashboard that's been created in this main dashboards view. However, where you are now creating dashboards at the list level, you have a location of where that view is. So you can start to see where it's living within your ClickUp workspace. So if you do start creating dashboards at the list level and you lose track of where they actually are sat, then you can find them at the location section. Thank you for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it's given you some ideas on how you can utilize this new feature inside of ClickUp. If you're also curious about how you can work with clients and use the dashboards to do that as well, do check out my video where I share how you can build a client portal making use of the ClickUp dashboards and how you can share that with clients and keep that as part of your process as well. Until next time, I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.